Hi, is Mrs. Sankas available? I have an interview today, and it was for 12:15. I am a little early.
Hi. So I'm very happy you came in today to interview. Come on back to my office.
Hi, where should I sit?
Oh, sit there is fine. We can see each other just fine. So what position are you looking for specifically?
I am applying for the lab assistant for American Sign Language.
So do you have any experience with signing?
Yeah, I do. I learned, my parents are both deaf, so that's how I learned ASL. But I did go to school, and so I've got a 2-year degree from Columbus State from here. So I'm real excited. So I graduated back in 1998.
So were you interpreting while you were
Yeah,
working
I
with signs?
did do a little bit of sign language, but then actually interpreting. But it really wasn't for me. I didn't really care for it. So I've been just teaching sign language off and on to my friends. And they're the local schools that my kids go to, whenever they need somebody to come and teach ASL, I go and teach it to the schools. But I don't do much interpreting anymore.
Oh, okay. So how are you working with students one-on-one? Are you comfortable interacting with them, or are you more nervous and anxious?
Well, I guess I wouldn't be a very good lab assistant if I was afraid to work with students. I think I'm easy to get along with. I'm pretty friendly, and I just, I think I could work well with all students. So, yeah.
So some of the time is super, super busy and there's a ton to do, while other times is more laid back and relaxed. So are you okay with that, with doing what you want sometimes, like reading or other things?
Well, if it were left up to me, my preference would be that I would be busy. But I do understand that there are times where we have downtime, and I guess then I could help make videos, or I don't know, if somebody needed some help, I would do that. But I'm not really good at just sitting and doing nothing for a long period of time.
So what are your available hours? Are you available mostly at night or during the day? Or does it vary? And just to let you know, every semester will change as well.
Well, our kids are grown, and so it's just my husband and I. So that pretty much leaves me with time. And absolutely, I can be very flexible. That's what I kind of like about it. I don't really like to have a set schedule where it's the same thing all the time. I would rather that that I could have a variety of choices in hours, both day and night. Do they work weekends?
So the lab is not open on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. It's only open Monday through Friday, and that's it. Is that all right?
Well, I guess who wouldn't be okay with that? That's pretty awesome. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. Yeah, I would be very willing to do that. That kind of gives, my husband and I have date day on Fridays, and so that's perfect for me.
Okay. So I'm trying to think of other things. Oh, we don't have any benefits since it is part-time. Is that all right? And we also offer around $16 to $18 depending on your experience.
I don't need the benefits because my husband has them, but I believe that the minimum wage has been raised. I'm not so sure, $6 to $8. I'm hearing that some people are making $15 an hour at minimum wage. I believe that just got passed. So, have you checked into that?
Yes, we can look into that. That's fine. We will check to make sure that we are paying you the right amount.
Yeah, please do, because the local McDonald's by me, they pay $15 an hour. So, I mean, it would be kind of silly for me to come here for $6 to $8 an hour when I could go to McDonald's and it's nearby. I could almost walk there and make, twice the amount of money. I would really rather you check into that.
Okay, yes, we can do that. So your vacation time will be during the spring break of the semester. I think it's 1 or 2 weeks. But, of course, it won't be paid. It's just a time to not work and relax.
Well, that's awesome, because my husband and I like to travel. And I understand being a part-time position, it's not I wouldn't get paid vacations or anything like that. So, yeah, I probably would enjoy that, being off during 15 weeks. That would be good. That's a great benefit.
So, how are you working with other people, though, like coworkers? Are you good with sharing a desk space, for instance?
Well, again, as a part-time employee, I understand you don't really own anything. So, sharing a desk or whatever I need to do to get the job done is fine by me. I don't need to own anything anymore. We're retirement age, so at this point, I'll make do with what I have.
All right, so can you get a background check now to show that you went to school and everything, and also a drug test? Is that all right?
So, do you know, do they check DUIs or anything? Not that it would apply to me, but I'm just curious. Does that include that in your background check?
So the background check makes sure that you have no thefts or killings or anything dangerous like that. So a DUI, I think not, but I'm not sure. So that's actually all I have for today until we meet again later to inform you about the rest of the process. So thank you so much for coming in today. I really appreciate your time.
You will hire somebody.
So in about a week, because we do have a few other interviews
before
we can
really
let you know.
Glad to hear from you. I'm very interested in the position, and I'm very flexible, and I know I could do a great job. And so I hope to hear from you with good news in a week. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.